Did you know that a single jar of bamboo salt can cost as much as $100? That's right, this tiny jar of salt is more expensive than gold by weight. But here's the kicker, it's not just any ordinary salt. Created by ancient Korean monks over 1,000 years ago, bamboo salt goes through a bizarre and intense process involving bamboo stalks, high heat, and months of labor. Ready to find out what makes it so valuable? Let's dive in. Number 1. The ancient tradition behind bamboo salt. Bamboo salt is not just another kitchen item. It has a deep-rooted history dating back over 1,000 years. This special salt was first created by Buddhist monks in Korea who used it as a traditional remedy for various health issues. Imagine using salt not just for flavor, but as medicine. That's how revered bamboo salt is in Korean culture. What makes this salt so valuable is the ancient process that has stayed almost the same over centuries. The monks believed that roasting the salt inside bamboo stalks would not only make it purer, but also fill it with healing properties. And today, modern producers continue this age-old tradition, turning simple sea salt into something truly special. Number 2. The secret ingredient, bamboo. One of the most interesting aspects of bamboo salts, of course, is the bamboo itself. But why bamboo? It's more than just a fancy container. Bamboo is packed with minerals like potassium and calcium, which are absorbed into the salt during the roasting process. This gives bamboo salt its unique mineral content, making it different from regular table salt. The bamboo stalks used for the salt are typically more than 3 years old. The older the bamboo, the more minerals it has to offer. So when the salt is roasted inside the bamboo, it soaks up all these essential nutrients, transforming into a powerhouse of health benefits. This secret is what makes bamboo salt worth every penny. Number 3. The roasting process, a true labor of love. Making bamboo salt is not as simple as tossing salt into bamboo and calling it a day. Oh no, it's a meticulous, time-consuming process that requires skill and dedication. First, the sea salt is packed tightly into the bamboo stalks, and then it's sealed with mineral-rich clay. The sea salt is roasted at high temperatures, around 800 degrees Celsius, for up to 10 hours. And here's the kicker, it's not just roasted once. The entire process is repeated up to 9 times. Yes, 9 times. Each roasting enhances the salt's purity and mineral content, making it healthier and more potent with every round. This labor-intensive process explains why bamboo salt is so expensive. It's not just salt, it's a labor of love. Number 4. Health benefits. Is it really that good for you? One reason bamboo salt is so highly valued is because of its supposed health benefits. Koreans believe that the salt's high mineral content, combined with the purification from the roasting process, makes it incredibly beneficial for the body. It's not just for seasoning your food. Some people use it to help with digestion, skincare, and even dental health. But what's even more interesting is the belief that bamboo salt can neutralize toxins in the body. It's super alkaline, which supposedly helps balance the body's pH levels. While scientific evidence is still catching up, these health claims add to the salt's mystique and make people willing to pay a premium for it. Number 5. The unique flavor, a smoky twist. Let's talk about the taste, because bamboo salt isn't just any salt. It's got a flavor like no other. Thanks to the intense roasting, bamboo salt develops a slightly smoky, earthy flavor that you won't find in your average table salt. It's like adding a little campfire magic to your meal. This unique taste is why bamboo salt is a staple in Korean cooking, especially in dishes like kimchi, soups, and grilled meats. It enhances flavors without overpowering them, making it a favorite among chefs who love to experiment with new, bold tastes. Once you try it, you might not want to go back to regular salt. Number 6. A handmade masterpiece. Here's something that sets bamboo salt apart from most commercial salts. It's handmade. Yes, you heard that right. The entire process, from packing the salt into bamboo to roasting it multiple times, is done by hand. No machines, no shortcuts, just skilled workers carefully crafting each batch. This handmade approach ensures that every jar of bamboo salt is unique and made with the utmost care. It's not mass-produced like your regular table salt, which is one of the reasons why it costs so much. When you buy bamboo salt, you're paying for the craftsmanship and dedication that goes into making it. Number 7. 9 roasts. Why so many? You might wonder, why roast the salt 9 times? Couldn't once or twice be enough? Well, it turns out that each roast removes more and more impurities, while also enhancing the salt's mineral content. By the time it's roasted for the 9th time, bamboo salt is as pure and mineral-rich as it can get. The number 9 also has symbolic meaning in Korean culture. It represents completeness and good health. So not only is the 9-time roasting process scientifically effective, but it also carries cultural significance, adding to the salt's allure. Number 8. The alkaline advantage. One of the reasons people rave about bamboo salt is because it's super alkaline. Regular table salt is neutral, but bamboo salt has a pH level of 9 or higher. This makes it great for neutralizing acidic foods and might even help balance the body's pH levels, which is why many believe it has detoxifying properties. In fact, some people use bamboo salt not just in cooking, but also for health remedies, like gargling with it to soothe a sore throat, or even using it in skincare routines. The high alkalinity is a big part of why bamboo salt is considered more than just a seasoning. It's seen as a natural remedy. Number 9. Limited supply, high demand. Bamboo salt isn't made in huge quantities like regular table salt. The process is long, laborious, and requires highly skilled artisans. Plus, the materials, mature bamboo, high-quality sea salt, and pine wood, are not always readily available. All of this makes bamboo salt a rare and limited product. With limited supply and increasing demand, especially as more people become aware of its unique properties, the price of bamboo salt keeps climbing. But for those who believe in its health benefits and unique flavor, it's worth every dollar. This rarity is one of the key reasons why bamboo salt remains so expensive. Number 10. Sustainable practices. The future of bamboo salt. In recent years, some producers of bamboo salt have started adopting more sustainable practices. They're using renewable bamboo and eco-friendly kilns, which means the process is becoming more environmentally friendly. This shift is making bamboo salt not just a luxurious product, but also an ethical one. As people become more conscious of sustainability, bamboo salt producers are finding ways to preserve the traditional process while minimizing its environmental impact. So when you buy bamboo salts, you're not just getting a product with a rich history and health benefits. You're also supporting a move towards more sustainable practices in the world of salt production. And there you have it. Bamboo salt is not just expensive because of its price tag, but because of the incredible process behind it. From the ancient traditions to the health benefits, each jar of bamboo salt tells a story of craftsmanship, culture, and care. Now, the next time you see that small, pricey jar on the shelf, you'll know exactly why it's worth every penny. Thanks for watching!